Main office is concerned about alcohol abuse by our employees, guys. Just to be honest, a couple of your urine samples, by the time they made it to the office the next day, were practically distilled in 120 proof. So we need to talk about alcoholism.
Alcoholism? Are you trying to pin us as alcoholics here? I mean, we don't even drink that much, right, Roscoe?
Right as a broke clock twice a day, son. I mean, honestly, we only drink, on the weekends.
Yeah, or special occasions, because it'd be rude not to.
After a hard day's work.
And even sometimes after a light day's work to celebrate that it wasn't a hard day.
Or, we get alone or bored or if it's cold that night.
Exactly, if it's cold outside, you need a stiff drink to warm your bones, or maybe even sometimes a ice cold beer to cool them back off when it's hot.
Okay, so let me get this right. If you work hard, or you don't work hard, or if it's cold, or it's hot, or if you're alone or bored, or if there's a special occasion, or if it's the weekend, you have a drink, okay? When do you not have a drink?
Well, simple answer, right now.
Okay, so the only time you don't drink is while you're at work.
Yeah. We're working a lot of hours every week. So that's a lot of hours of us not drinking. Is that not good enough?
You could just lay off like an extra day or two when you go home that evening. Just don't drink that evening.
Oh, now, lay off a day or two. Let me run this math for you down here, okay, son? We're working 7/12s. That's 84 hours. All right? I got to throw in an hour commute to and from work every day. We're at like 98 hours. All right? I get 8 hours of sleep every night as I'm supposed to. What have I got left? 14 hours of not sleeping, driving, or working a week? I can't chalk up at least 10 of that just to straight drinking? I think that's pretty good percentages right there. Does anybody know what percentage that is?
Gonna come in at a rough about 5.9%, roughly.
5.952, to be accurate, boys. Now let me put it like this. You're telling me the main office is concerned about me drinking less than 6% of my time a week. Less than 6% is a concern for them.
That's some pretty cold, hard facts there, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, the percentage thing really spoke to me. Less than 6% a week of drinking? That's not bad at all. I don't know what they're talking about. You know what? I'm gonna go have a word with them real quick and get this under control. You guys should be able to have a drink when you're not at work. It's a free country. I'll be back.
Yeah, you go. You should go stand up for us. It's a free country, yeah. I wonder what the percentage is if we add in all the times we do drink at work.
I knew you were going to ask, so I'll go ahead and do the math. Comes in at about 63%.
63%? Oh, that is not good, man. I'm not a fan of odd numbers. You think this will push it to 64?